Hello friends, welcome to this new video. This is Ishan here from Techcheater.com. In this video, I'll be telling you how to check your downloaded files on your iPad. So whatever content you are downloading from anywhere, let it be from any website or let it be from your Google Drive or from any cloud storage. So when you do it, it will be stored in your device and photos will be filtered out in your photo section. But if there is some file and you have to find it, the best way to do is that you have to go to the files option, and for that you can do just typing for files. This is official app by Apple which will give you the access to your iCloud drive and your iPad, and there are some other filters or some other options which will be created based on your photos or your content. Like recently deleted will be based on your recently deleted files. Downloads, this is favorite from my iCloud drive. So like when I download any content on my MacBook, I place it in this download section so that I can access it from any device. So I have marked it as favorites. Tags, these are the tags for the images which I downloaded, so this is being reflected here. And for you, what you have to do is when you download any content, you'll click on this on my iPad and you can find that, like whatever is it is. Like suppose if I have downloaded this Kome Ativare, then I'll just simply type it to find it. So this is very easy, and any content which is being downloaded on your device can be accessed here. This is files option. So if you have any questions about any specific query of using this application, then you can just drop down your comments below. This is very simple to use, just you have to type in and search it, that's it. And do subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting some basic technical tips about your gadgets. Thank you.